This is the Xforce Varex axle back for the 2011 through 14 Mustang GT. I'll be installing this on my 2017 Mustang GT. This is the Xforce unboxed. Looks pretty good, very well packed. So this 11 through 14 Mustang unit will be installed on my 2017. Well, she's on stands. Stock exhaust there, had that with the X pipe. The stock axle back is off. I had broiler ATAC, a little too loud for me with the X pipe, you can see there. But let's install these 11 through 14 Varex Xforce axle back. Alright, axle back installed. I had to take it to the muffler shop so you can see what he did there. I told him to just do a quick cheap job. I don't even know how long I'm going to have these on there, but the way they sound, I like it. So they'll probably be on there for a while. He was able to use the mounts right here that came with the axle back. He said he had to heat it up and turn the anchoring mount around in order for that to fit in. Again, he heated it up, turned the hanger around, fit right in there. One thing for sure, if you think you're going to jack the car up and do it in your garage, you better have some knowledge, because I couldn't figure it out.